Good morning, third grade. We will discuss the importance of using a variety of research tools. When we find a topic we want to research, we don't hop onto any old website. First, we identify the information that we need to locate. Next, we look for reliable resources of information that can be used in our research. A great example is when you go camping and you need to buy camping gear, you go to Academy or Bass Pro Shop. You don't stop at Dillard's because it's on the way home. Research tools can vary depending on your need, just like life. Today, I want to go over some websites that I found for you to use on your next research that you will begin soon in class. The Encyclopedia Online, just like the Almanac is also online, and Go Gale. They are used for more extensive research resources. They offer more than one article, and you can pull up multiple articles on one topic. Now, Kiddle is an online encyclopedia too. This is powered through Google. It is a great fact-finding and getting that background knowledge that you need to start a research project. PebbleGo is a safe search kid reference tool as well, but it covers mainly social studies and science. FactMonster is like an encyclopedia, and it has a dictionary, and it has a thesaurus and an atlas, but it's not used for extensive research. It can be used to help you to find a topic, but then you're going to need to use other research engines to gather more information. It is mainly used for homework and reference materials. Kidtopia can be used as a search engine too. Now, SN Explorers, it is a publication for current events in science, technology, math, etc. All of these resources are different and can be used in different ways, just like life. Resource tools are not a one-size-fits-all. Depending on your topic, depends on the resource tool you will need to use. You are not going to use SN Explorers to write an autobiography on a movie star, nor would you use the Almanac to help you with your math homework, while FactMonster is more appropriate for that. I hope these tools will help you with future projects.